welcome to the start of another weekly vlog. I am looking atrocious today. It's the first day of my period. It's 11 AM and I've already cried once today because I spilled a glass of water and I was like, not today. One of those days where you just feel like everything's going wrong. I put a tiny bit of concealer on under my eyes and now I just look like a ghost. I didn't want to wear any makeup today. I just want to have a no bare skin day. I can't even talk. I've also got a cold, which is amazing. G gave it to me. Thanks, babe. So it's bank holiday weekend, Easter weekend tomorrow, starting tomorrow, Good Friday. So today I need to finish up my work for the week. I need to finish editing Sunday's video and maybe write a blog post. But I also want to start decluttering, so I thought I'd start maybe pulling a few bits out of my wardrobe that I haven't worn in a while, because I've got some new pieces that I want to add into it and I don't want to have an overflowing wardrobe basically. So let's tackle this a little bit, shall we? Also got another new vlogging camera. I'm still waiting for a refund from my last one, but I bought a new one in the meantime, so this is the first vlog on that. Okay, immediately I'm thinking of saying goodbye to this dress. I'm really sad about that because I only just bought it from Zara in the winter months, but I've worn it once and my dad and G both said it looked like I was wearing a nightie, so I might get rid of it. It's just like a lace slip cami dress with lace detailing and this cool like leopard animal print pattern, but I haven't really worn it since and it's not that flattering, so I'm going to put that in a charity bag. Let's make a pile down here. My bestie also gave me a lace leopard print top that she was decluttering from her wardrobe, but I've also got one identical in my own wardrobe and I don't need two of them, so I'm going to say goodbye to one. They are pretty much identical. What do you guys reckon? Like, they've got the leopard print and they've got the lace trim around. I think I might keep my Zara one just because I prefer the colours on it, I think. So this will also go in the charity pile. I'll also see if my housemates want any of these items as well, I guess. What else can we get rid of? I absolutely adore these blue trousers, but they have broken and I haven't been able to fix them since, so I don't know why I'm still holding on to them. These ones here, they're from ASOS. I think they're like the petite slim fit cigarette trousers. I think that's what they're called. They are beautiful, but they don't fit, so I repurchased a kind of similar shade. I think I do prefer this colour, but there's no point in keeping it if it doesn't, like, the zip's gone. Might actually see if my mum can fix that, but I'm definitely going to keep these two pairs of trousers. I also have these in black for a suit set as well. I have had this little crop top from Boohoo for about 5 years. It's adorable, but I don't think I haven't worn it in ages, but maybe that's because it's only just turned warmer weather. I might actually put that in, and if I don't wear it this summer then it can go. I really like this dress, but it was one of the ones my friends wanted me to get rid of when I last decluttered, and I held on to it, but I haven't worn it since. I think maybe because they said that it wasn't that flattering, so I can say goodbye to that. It's from Nasty Gal. I just really like the sleeves. They're like floaty bell sleeves. I'm going to get rid of this bright red t-shirt because I think I have another. And also I bought this dress from Boohoo a while ago, but I haven't worn it. It's a petite satin wrap midi dress. Because this has still got a label on and I haven't worn it, I might actually put that on my Depop. If you guys still use Depop, let me know down below in the comments. Otherwise I can give it to a charity shop, but I haven't worn it and I'm probably not going to. Also, this coat from Next, I've only worn a couple of times, but I think I might say goodbye to it. I might see if my sister wants that actually. Got so many new amazing Next bits in, and this is kind of a bit too tight for me, so I could probably go to a better home. God, look at this clashing leopard print going on. These are the dresses that me and my sister wore to my mum and dad's wedding renewal in Florida. I absolutely love them. I'm going to keep my one, and I'm going to my parents' house this evening, so I'm going to take my sister's with me and give it to her, because I haven't got space in my wardrobe for that. I have filled a bin bag up with some clothes and a pile more as well. This is the pile of stuff that I've just pulled out, and also this pile of stuff. Got some jumpers, pyjamas, sportswear, a couple more jumper thingies, and yeah, I'm going to be getting rid of all of this to a charity shop. Also just had a rearrange of the wardrobe so everything's a bit more organised. I've got like cami tops here, all like fancy dresses here, casual dresses here, black tops, white tops, coloured tops, some blazer suit things, and then these are new in, which I want to photograph and take away with me. Quite happy with that. For lunch I am having the same thing I had for dinner yesterday because it was so delicious. Doesn't look that appetising. I've got sweet potato, falafel, broccoli, courgette, some chicken and avocado and onion. Hey guys, welcome to Saturday. I've got a cold. I didn't want to say that because I know people always say to me that I'm always ill, but I have got a cold, I can't help that. So I feel a bit awful, but it is bank holiday, Easter weekend, and G and I have come to a new street food market near London Bridge called Vinegar Yard. Love this. So cool, isn't it? Got some, coffee. I kind of want a coffee. This is so cute, and they've got like a flea thrift market on as well today, which is nice. We have got a coffee from the Gentleman's Baristas. Nice coffee that, isn't it?
Lovely coffee.
Got Prosecco van behind me, which is also quite nice. Yeah, we had a wedding yesterday, which was lovely. It's just a shame I felt so ill, but it was in Richmond Park and the view was insane. We have to go back there on a date as well at some point. They've just got loads of like wild deer running around. You can get right up close to them, which is a nice, like, I reckon if you want to go on like a walking date with some wildlife and nature, that would be a good spot to go. So we are just going to chill here for a bit, and then we're going to meet up with one of G's mates in Flatiron Square, which is another street food market near London Bridge. And then we're going to head up back to mine to watch some Married at First Sight. I love it.
And Travel Man.
And Travel Man.
And Inception.
And oh yeah, we want to watch Inception.
Yeah.
We've got a lot of TV to get through today, but it's also like 23 degrees. It's beautiful out, so we want to soak up the rays. I don't know if any of that was in focus. Just can't get over this view. So beautiful. We've now come to our second street food market of the day, Flatiron Square. I've never been to this one either. Very close again to London Bridge, and it's got some shade, which is nice because I haven't got any SPF 50 on and I feel like I'm going to burn in the sun. Super cute. Look at this amazing food. We are now back in town. Oh my god, there's a Maltesers one. We've just come to Sainsbury's to get some ingredients for dinner, and we're getting Easter eggs, and we're just, oh my god, Easter eggs are on top form this year. This is our basket so far. We've got one of the crunchy. What? You'd rather a Kit Kat one than a Maltesers one?
Yeah.
Would you?
It's salted caramel fudge.
What do you reckon, crunchy or Malteser?
I was going to go crunchy and Malteser and bin the fruit and nut.
Oh no, you got to have the fruit and nut. Crunchy and Malteser, bin the fruit and nut.
Maybe we... Oh, fuck.
This is decision. We can't get 4, can we? Can we? Say yes.
Yeah, we can get 4.
We can't. This is... We're going to need a...
Estelle will eat them all this.
Estelle will, but Rianne is vegan. Oh, I love Malteser.
You didn't like those little Malteser bites?
No, I didn't. Right, okay, that'll do. I'm going to have a go mowing the old lawn. 1 sec, don't start yet. Got to put this on the back to collect the grass, I think. I've never used a mower before, have you? Ooh. Fun! Crop circles! Just spent a good half an hour sorting the garden out with G. It's a lot of fun. It looks so much better now. No more dead leaves. Mowed the grass, giving it a bit of a water and some weed stuff. We are prepping some lunch. Oh no wait, it's Sunday. It's Easter Sunday today. Where is he, babe?
Hello, babe.
There's a cat in the house. We've had the back door open and now there's a cat in the house, but we don't know where he's gone. Actually don't know where he's gone. We're making some chicken wings. Do you actually not know?
I don't know.
He hasn't.
Not sure where he is.
He hasn't come back through. Oh god, we've lost him.
I'm not sure. Did he?
The cat, we found the cat. The cat is upstairs in my housemate's room. We've just had a really lovely morning, just chilling in the garden. Little one, come on. No, no, downstairs. No, oh my god. Oh my god. This is ridiculous. Good boy. This is so stupid. Right, you can stay in here, but you can't go in the rest of the house. He just is begging for a cuddle. Aren't you? You're so cute. So this is the recipe we are following that I took a picture out of G's recipe book yesterday. It's teriyaki chicken wings, and this is what ours looks like. Ew. Yeah, go on, add a little bit more. It'll make it stickier, won't it? Who is up for an update on our chicken wings? They are now looking glorious. Teriyaki, we're going to sprinkle over some sesame seeds and spring onions. Oh my god. Look at this. Well done us. This looks so good. We have now come to a beer garden in Essex for my brother-in-law's birthday drinks. Sitting in a beer garden, the boys are behind me playing pool. It's nice. It's a beautiful weekend. With my fam as well. My faves. Your refund? How much does Luke look like you're on Greyjoy? What is going on? God, it's quite scary. It is bank holiday Monday. That's going to keep happening. G and I have come to see it outside the Tower Bridge, and there's some sort of like cannon display firework thing. I don't know. Pirate ship just went under the bridge. Don't know what's happening. Something's going on. It's very loud. We are having a little bit of a picnic. Picked up some salads, and we've also got some books, and we are going to sit here with this gorgeous view and have a bit of a chill. G has lent me this book because I forgot to bring my own. It's called Everyday, and so far so good. I think it's a bit of a love story, kind of like kind of dystopian, I think, as well, maybe, because it is you know what it reminds me of? It reminds me of a book called The Host, which was the woman that wrote Twilight. The book she wrote after the Twilight series. It really reminds me of that. It's kind of like these beings go into other bodies, hosts, and stay there. Are you looking up dystopian?
Dystopia is a community or society that is undesirable or frightening.
Oh.
It is translated as not good place, and is an antonym for utopia.
That's not what I thought dystopian. I thought dystopian meant like futuristic.
An undesirable future.
How are you getting on with your book?
It's good. It's hard, isn't it? It's hard work. Can't read too much of it because it's just harrowing and sad.
Yeah. If any of you guys have read it, I'll be gone in the dark. Let us know what you thought. So we made caponata, which is an Italian. Is it a side dish or a main dish?
I think it's like a side starter. Yeah.
It's vegan and it's made with aubergine and loads of veg, and we've just made some, so we're gonna try it now with some bread. Bloody beautiful. So we just cooked dinner and I'm an idiot and burnt my nose with some chilli that I was cutting. Honestly, there was an amazing scene of G pouring milk into my nostrils, which was awful because I also felt like I was drowning. I read that olive oil helped, so I rubbed my face in olive oil. Didn't really help. Ice cube seems to be helping, but whenever I breathe, it feels like I'm breathing fire. But we cooked this amazing aubergine pasta from the Jamie Oliver recipe cookbook that we've been loving so much and cooking so much stuff from. This is it, aubergine penne arrabbiata, and this is what it looks like. And then we've got our caponata that we made earlier as well, that we're making like little lettuce boats with.